Yerba mate is a popular drink in South America, made from the leaves of the Ilex paraguayensis plant. Though it's been consumed for centuries, many people outside of South America are still unsure about what yerba mate is and why it's so beneficial. In this video, we'll explore 7 surprising benefits of yerba mate that might make you want to try it today. Yerba mate offers a unique combination of caffeine, antioxidants, and nutrients, making it a perfect alternative to coffee or energy drinks. It's traditionally enjoyed in countries like Argentina, Uruguay, and Brazil, but its health benefits are attracting attention worldwide. One of the biggest benefits of yerba mate is its high antioxidant content. Rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as several B vitamins, yerba mate helps support your immune system and protect your cells from oxidative damage. It's also packed with minerals like magnesium and potassium, which contribute to overall health. Yerba mate is also known for providing a smooth, sustained energy boost. Unlike coffee, which can give you a quick energy surge followed by a crash, yerba mate releases caffeine more gradually, providing a steady increase in alertness without the jitters. This makes it an excellent choice for people looking to stay energized throughout the day without the negative side effects of coffee. Beyond its energy-boosting effects, yerba mate can support digestion. It acts as a natural diuretic, helping to reduce bloating and flush out excess fluids from the body. Some studies suggest that yerba mate may also help regulate cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. Yerba mate is also known for enhancing mental clarity and focus. Many people find that it helps them stay alert and concentrated for longer periods, making it a great choice for those who need a mental boost throughout the day. Plus, its mild caffeine content offers a more balanced mental alertness compared to other caffeinated drinks. Another benefit of yerba mate is its ability to improve mood. Some studies suggest that yerba mate may help reduce anxiety and stress, giving you a calm yet energized feeling. This makes it a great option for those who want to stay positive and focused without feeling overwhelmed or overstimulated. Finally, yerba mate is a social drink, often shared with friends and family in a group setting. The act of drinking mate together creates a sense of connection and community, making it more than just a beverage, but a way to bond with others. In conclusion, yerba mate is a healthy and versatile drink that offers a wide range of benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or enhance mental focus, yerba mate has something to offer. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the perfect time to discover the power of this ancient drink. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Let us know your experiences with yerba mate in the comments below.